Hi, in this quick video today I'm going to show you how you can assemble your Wagner Fence and Decking Sprayer. The bit that might be confusing you is this part here. How do you put them together? It's really straightforward. If you have a look, we have a lock symbol and we have an unlock symbol here. And on here we have a little arrow just here. So we need to point the unlock symbol, the little line there, to that arrow and push in, like so. And then we need to rotate this bit around here until it clicks into place. And it's going to click in just here, and that is it. That bit is now assembled. To take it apart, you're going to push down with your thumb here and you're going to rotate that round until the lock symbol goes to the unlock symbol and you can push it apart there. If you're having a lot of problems with that there, you might need to lubricate this little O-ring here, and they give you some lubricating grease here, which is just Vaseline. So put a little bit of that around the O-ring and that'll be good to go. If you're wondering what this is just a spare little washer that goes in here. So in this part here, we have a little red washer. So if that wears out here, you've got a spare washer, so don't throw those parts away. We've already done a long video on how to take it apart and reassemble it, so you can watch that video if you're curious. So let's lock this bit onto here. And we're going to screw this into here. You can rotate this way or this way, depending on if you're spraying up would be that way, if you're spraying down would be that way, because otherwise in here, if it's this way and you're spraying up, you can see that it's going to miss the liquid once it gets low. So spraying up, you would put this way around. You just screw this into here. And then with this hose here, the big side goes into here. It's just push fit. Nicely, they've given you a little smooth bit, a slightly rougher bit here, so you know you're going to push it all the way in so the smooth bit can't be seen. Just like so. And then this part here, again, you have a nice smooth bit. It's just push fit, it goes in like so. And basically that is it there. Don't forget you have a tool here. This will allow you to clean out your nozzles. This bit here allows you to clean out the tooth bit around the top of the little tank here. But that's it, you are ready to start spraying now. You can always store this part here in there like so when it comes to packing it away at the end. Thanks for watching.